Have you ever wondered what it's like doing business in some of the fastest growing economies in the world? What are the challenges of working across cultures, the costs of setting up, but most importantly, what are the opportunities of working in Asia? Join us as we meet the Australians riding the wave of success.
There is nothing like Australia in the food and wine experiences.
From the small startups to the young entrepreneurs.
I think Hong Kong's a remarkable place in that I think that a lot of people are here to help you.
And the influential CEOs who are leading the way at the top end of town.
You get a deeper understanding for the way people operate in this part of the world, and it's different in every country you go to.
On AusBiz Asia, we go behind the business to meet the people and uncover their secrets, exploring the do's and don'ts of engaging with Asia.
I guess we're here to test and learn to see what works in the market, and if it goes well, we'll think about taking it to other locations as well.
That's AusBiz Asia every week on Australia Plus.